सूर्यकांत
చాలా ఆవిడ షీఈ్
చెప్పండి డిస్పెన్సర్ డిస్పెన్సర్ అక్కడ పెట్టించండి. ఓకే డిస్పెన్సర్ అక్కడ పెడుతున్నాడు. నేను సార్ పైసలు you can make payment. Or use the agreement for
all the other veterans, you all know. This is Madhumita Das. She's come all the way from Kolkata. This is Suryakanta. Thank you.
Okay. Now I welcome all the members for the 9th annual general body meeting. The slides will show as per the program one by one. Wherever you have any points, that will be cleared once the presenter asks you. Thank you very much. Now I hand over the mic to Mrs. Anand.
the President to come and address the gathering.
हमने 9 साल में क्या किया? कुछ लोग 2015 जून इसी हाल AWHO वेदमत कम्युनिटी हाल में इकट्ठे हुए थे और आप लोगों ने प्रपोज किया हैदराबाद सिकंदराबाद में एक एक्सर्विसमैन एसोसिएशन को हमें खड़ा करना चाहिए जो हमारा एक्सर्विसमैन कम्युनिटी को सेवा कर सकता है। आप लोगों ने वो जो 120 लोग इधर आए थे, आपने निर्णय किया कि इस एक्सर्विसमैन एसोसिएशन को चलाने के लिए एक मैनेजमेंट कमेटी का जरूरत है। आप खुद लोगों ने 7 एक्सर्विसमैन मेंबर्स को चुना है। देख रहे हो, नहीं आप देख रहे हो, रजिस्ट्रार ऑफ सोसाइटी तेलंगाना से रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर भी ले लिया 495 ऑफ 2015। सो 2015 में हमारा स्थापना हुआ था। नाउ बड़ी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को आपने खड़ा कर दिया कि ऑर्गेनाइजेशन चलेगा कैसा? बैठ के डिस्कस करने के लिए जगह नहीं है और कुछ काम करने के लिए पैसा नहीं है। सो हम लोगों ने क्या किया, इसी वेद विहार का ये जो इनका सोसाइटी ऑफिस है, उधर एक टेबल टेनिस रूम था, उधर बैठे, एक पैसा नहीं है हमारे पास, जीरो। नाम तो है बहुत बढ़िया, 30 है 495 ऑफ 2015। आगे कैसे है? गाड़ी तो खड़ा हो गया, ना पेट्रोल है ना ड्राइवर है। फिर उन लोगों ने, मुझे बताने में बहुत खुशी है, मिसेस पिंकी आनंद मैडम अभी थक गई है। शी इज द फर्स्ट डोनर। उस टाइम में मुझे ये मालूम हुआ था लेडीज और जेंट्स में फर्क क्या है। हम लोग डिस्कस करते हैं, हम ये कर देंगे, हम वो कर देंगे, हम ये कर देंगे, इतना पैसा लाएंगे, कहाँ से लाएंगे? लेडीज क्या करते हैं, वो कम बात करते हैं, सोच काम कर लेते हैं, बातें कम काम ज्यादा। मैडम ने उठाई अपना पर्स, लेडीज बैग, हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, इतना लाएंगे उतना लाएंगे। मैं बहुत जोर से बोल रहा था। मैडम ने उठाई और 500 रुपये का नोट, डिमोनेटाइजेशन पहले 10 नोट 20 नोट रखी, ये मेरा कंट्रीब्यूशन है। सो पिंकी आनंद जी हमेशा डोनर नंबर 1 टी सेवा का हिस्ट्री में नाम छट गया है। सो पैसा आ गया और मेंबर्स 120 हो गया।
आप बोल के आ रहा है बीच पे माइक को।
120 मेंबर्स हो गए। फिर धीरे धीरे ये मैनेजमेंट कमेटी कभी AWHO वेदविहार में, कभी हमारे लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल NR के राव साहब है, सेक्टर C में उनका बहुत बढ़िया हॉल है, उनका बेटे के नाम पे उन्होंने बनाया, उधर जाकर बैठते थे। हमारा जनरल सेक्रेटरी साहब, जिसको हम कर्नल डॉक्टर JB सेठी साहब है, इतना नॉलेजेबल पर्सन है, वो ही गॉट फेड अप, कभी इधर आओ कभी उधर जाओ। वो तैयार, हम लोग जिप्सी जैसा क्यों घूम रहे हैं? Why don't we have one place? मैं तो आइडिया तो है ही नहीं है। ही ऑफर, मेरे घर में एक गैराज है, मैं यूज नहीं करता, उसको मैं कन्वर्ट कर दूंगा ऑफिस विद वॉशरूम। और क्या चाहिए? सो वहाँ से हम 2015 से 2021 6 साल मिसेस सेठी हर हफ्ता हमको चाय बेचती थी, बिस्किट बेचती थी। क्या क्या नहीं किया वो दिन हम भूल नहीं सकते। दैट्स हाउ वी स्टार्टेड। अभी हमारे पास पैसा भी है, हमारा पास नफरी भी है, माँ भी है, सब कुछ है। सो टुडे वी आर 19,675, नॉट ओनली इन इंडिया, ऑल ओवर अदर कंट्रीज, 7-8 फॉरेन कंट्रीज। So that is what टी सेवा वॉज देन। फिर हमारा जो कर्नल डॉक्टर जी.बी. सेठी साहब, हम लोग एक काम को देते थे, बिकॉज ही वाज सीनियर मोस्ट, 1963 का कमीशन है, उन्होंने 65 वार देखा, 71 वार देखा, वो हमें टास्क देते हैं ये करो, हम लोग वो काम करते हैं, लेकिन इनका एटीट्यूड क्या है, वो दो काम सोचते हैं। वो बोलते हैं यार कभी सोचा आप लोगों ने हमारे पास मेंबरशिप का पैसा आ रही है, जब ये इनकम है, इनकम टैक्स लगाएगा आपके ऊपर, फिर क्या करोगे, हमें क्या मालूम है क्या करना है। तो साहब वो प्रॉब्लम देगा, सोल्यूशन वही देंगे। उन्होंने एक चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट पकड़ा, ही इज वर्किंग विद अस फॉर सो मेनी इयर्स, उसके मदद से हम गए इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट में, सेक्शन 12A के तहत इनकम टैक्स से एग्जम्पशन मिल गया। ये डिटेल्स आपको कर्नल महादेव साहब ट्रेजरर है, बात में बताएंगे। आई एम ओनली गिविंग यू ग्लिम्स ऑफ व्हाट इज हैपेंड। बट ये कर्नल डॉक्टर सेठी कभी सेटिस्फाइड नहीं होते, वी आर सेलिब्रेटिंग, 12A मिल गया, इनकम टैक्स देने की जरूरत नहीं। वो बोलते हैं बेवकूफ़ लोग, पैसा ऐसे नहीं आता। हमने बोला सर पैसा आएगा जब आपके पास ATG होगा। हमको एक जी नहीं है, ये तो ATG में चले गया। एक क्या होता है ATG ऐसा होता है विद्यासागर, तो कल 2000 रुपया हमको टी सेवा को दोगे, आपको 50% 2000 के बजाय 1000 रुपया आप अपना जो टैक्सेबल इनकम से कम कर सकते हो, इनकम टैक्स कम हो जाएगा, इसीलिए लोग आएंगे आपके पास। फिर कैसा करना, पता ना कितने चक्कर हमने काटा इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट। एक हमारा एक्सेलेंस में था ऑफिसर एयरफोर्स का, उसके वजह से हमको ATG भी मिल गया। इस ATG मिलने के बाद लोग हमें हजारों में नहीं है लाखों में डोनेशन देते हैं। तो पूरा चैरिटी डिवीजन का प्रेसिडेंट है कर्नल सीतारामैया, आपको विस्तार में बताएंगे, बट आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू ओनली फ्यू थिंग्स। सो पहले साल में 3-4 महीने के अंदर इवन ऑफिसर साहिबान जो हो, लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल है, जनरल है, उनको खुद को पेंशन मालूम नहीं है। सो हमने बोला यार कि अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम में पहले लोगों को बताएं पेंशन, इसके बारे में हमारा कर्नल श्रीकांत शेषाद्री एक्सपर्ट है, वो ओवरसाइट कमेटी का मेंबर भी है, वो MD इंस्टीट्यूट से बात करता रहता है। बड़ा सिंपल है, जो काम हम अच्छा कर रहे हैं वो कंटिन्यू करेंगे, आप लोगों का हेल्प से टी सेवा को और आगे बढ़ाएंगे। ना हमारा विषय 3, एज मेंबर्स ऑफ टी सेवा हमारा क्या रिस्पॉन्स है। मैं 2 चीज़ें बताऊंगा। कोई भी एसोसिएशन आजकल मेंबर्स के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट होता है। आप कोई भी यूट्यूब खोलिए, बोलता है प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब। अब सब्सक्राइब होने से हमें हमारा व्यूअरशिप ज़्यादा होता है। 19,675 अपना मोबाइल खोल के एक साल के अंदर 4, 5, 10 लोगों को मेंबर नहीं बना सकते। फिर व्हाट विल हैपन, इट विल बिकम 1,97,000 प्लस 1,90,000, 2,15,000 हो जाएगा मेरा मेंबर, तभी आपका बात सुनेगा। ये 19,600 कुछ नहीं होता, कुछ नहीं होता। सो काइंडली टेक इट एज ए चैलेंज। एक साल के अंदर, एक महीने में एक को मेंबर बना लो, इट इज़ ईजी, इट इज़ पॉसिबल। सेकेंड, डोंट थिंक इट इज माई पर्सनल इंटरेस्ट। जब हमारा 6 साल टेन्योर पूरा हो गया, मैं कर्नल डॉक्टर जी.बी. सेठी साहब, एक कर्नल पारादेशन, हम 100 लोग हट गए, फिर हमारा टेन्योर पूरा हो गया। उस टाइम में इसी हाल में 2 साल पहले 2021 में 3 साल पहले मैंने एक वादा किया, भाई देखो एज अ फाउंडर प्रेसिडेंट आई मस्ट कंट्रीब्यूट समथिंग बैक टू दिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन करके 100 रुपया देना शुरू किया मैंने पर डे। बड़ा सिंपल है, मोबाइल ले लो, QR कोड देखो, 100 रुपये दे दो। इट इज़ वेरी स्मॉल अमाउंट सर, ये बताने की जरूरत भी नहीं है। हमारा पास ऐसा लोग है सर, आई टेल यू। मैं जुलाई 23 में दिल्ली गया, एक लेडी आई है प्रोग्राम, उनका नाम है रेणुका पटनायक, मिसेस रेणुका पटनायक। एक हाथ में मेंबरशिप फॉर्म था, दूसरा हाथ में एक चेक था। वो चेक दी मुझे, मैंने देखा लिखा है, पहले देखा वो बताने कितना जीरो है, फौजी के लोगों को मालूम है हमारा टाइम है ओनली। फिर मैं मैडम से पूछा, मैडम आपका हाथ में अभी मेंबरशिप फॉर्म भरा भी नहीं है और मेंबरशिप फ्री में देते हैं लेडीज को, आप हमें 1 लाख रुपया क्यों दे रहे हो? उनका वर्ड्स आज भी मेरे दिमाग में है। वो बोलती है ब्रिगेडियर विद्यासागर, जब मेरा पति जिंदा था उन्होंने मुझे एक बात बताया, हमारा देश में बहुत एक्सर्विसमेन एसोसिएशन है, कुछ काम करते नहीं है। एक एसोसिएशन वो सिकंदराबाद में है, उसका नाम है टी सेवा। मेरा तबीयत ठीक नहीं है, पता नहीं कब मैं भगवान को प्यारा हो जाऊंगा। मेरे जाने के बाद भी मेरा अकाउंट से 1 लाख रुपया टी सेवा पर दो। सर मुझे मालूम है टी सेवा को देना है, तो मेरा हस्बैंड का रिक्वेस्ट है। फिर मैं कैसे लोगों को बता दिया, मैडम आपको दर्शन करना है, वो वाली से करना है, ये है वो है वो है। एक लेडी आई बहुत और मेरे से भी टॉल है, मिसेस संगम मित्रा नानावती, उन्होंने पढ़ा है अच्छी तरह। अभी हमारा जो बिगेस्ट डोनर्स हैं इस है, और इस देश में 7-8 एक्स-सर्विसमेन एसोसिएशंस मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ डिफेंस का रेकग्नाइज्ड है। एक भी गवर्नमेंट का मदद के बिना खुद का पैसा से बिल्डिंग नहीं बनाया, ओनली टी सेवा बनाया। इसके बाद वो दिन आज भी मुझे याद है, 10 दिसंबर 2022, प्रकला साहब प्रेसिडेंट थे, मैं तो ऑर्डिनरी मेंबर था। और स्पर्श ने सबको रुला दिया, उनका आंसू देख के कुछ करके आओ। वो तो प्रेसिडेंट है, मैं तो ऑर्डिनरी मेंबर हूँ, वो मेरा सीओ है, सीओ का इंस्ट्रक्शन ले लिया। मैं हैदराबाद एयरपोर्ट गया प्रयागराज जाने के लिए। एक कॉल आया, बिलीव मी ये क्यों होता है मुझे मालूम नहीं, एक टेलीफोन कॉल आया, हमारा प्रेसिडेंट तमिलनाडु, उसका देहांत हो गया जून 2019, मैं तो हूँ 2022 दिसंबर में, 3.5 साल हो गया उसका देहांत हो गया। उसका वाइफ का नाम है मेरी हिल्डा आरोग्य स्वामी, उसको 3.5 साल से पेंशन नहीं आ रहा, सब कुछ करो उसके लिए। मैं गया था वहाँ, सिर्फ मैं ही था ऑफिसर, सो बड़ा BBAP ट्रीटमेंट मिल जाता है। फिर मुझे नहीं देना चाहता, 10 साल के लिए नहीं देंगे, लेकिन दबाव आएगा उनके ऊपर, वो 10 मिनट में दे आपको ट्रीटमेंट दे देगा।
From Gurgaon, Colonel Shrikant from Bangalore,
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, once again. Just now, I am thankful to Brigadier Vidyasagar, who has explained the various problems pertaining to pensions, spouse, etc. I request the ZSOW desk is outside. Those who have come for making the identity cards, please kindly hand over their documents outside. It will take time. Thank you. 8 lakhs to us. He is on the line. It is midnight to him. That's why I am taking this opportunity just to say thank you. Web, please. You are attending the 9th AGM of Price Services Ex-Servicemen Welfare Association. Would you like to say something, sir?
Thank you very much.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Good day, sir. Thank you all. You all. The 8th AGM held at Mumbai on 25th June 23. It was already circulated and put in web, and the NEC members have already given the approval. Somebody audited balance sheet duly audited by our chartered accountant. This was also discussed in length, circulated in our web as well as in our email groups. I will show one by one. Provisional balance sheet as on listing. This is whatsoever we received from the clients, we give it to the lawyer. Then our charity accountant, charity activities, as and when we receive the money for the charity, we distribute it as per their wish, for the education or for the medical aid or whatsoever it is. Thanks to you, sir. And that was the new office.
नंबर ए लिखा हुआ
Previous.
और नंबर साइड में लिख
This
दिया
was notified to Seva membership as on 20th June 24. Just go through the slide. Next. We are having our organization works with some committees. First one is the management committee, basically located in Hyderabad only. We looks after and
it goes up to the treasurer, general secretary and president. That is the third row. That is 40,000. Beyond 40,000, it needs the approval of the NEC. That is the National Executive Committee, which we meet every alternate, once in a fortnight. That is every alternate Saturday. The chairman of the charity committee, Colonel Sitaramaya, he's got powers of 25,000 for charity, and beyond 25,000, it needs again the approval of the NEC. Send the forms to our Postmates group. We will even accept forms which have been signed digitally or a photograph sent by WhatsApp. We will accept it. So I request each one of you all to kindly put your full efforts and get us maximum members in the current financial year 24-25. He put in a great effort, sent emails, messages everywhere, and we also propagated this, and we got a flood of funds into us, and that is why this year we have got 32,39,000 in our kitty. This is a very great improvement. Heartiest congratulations, Vidyasagar sir. And I see one gentleman who is there in a maroon shirt with big moustaches, Wing Commander Bambot, who is also clapping, but he himself is a very great contributor. So may I request you to kindly rise, sir, so that everybody in 1971 war. Thank you, sir. Now, educational fund, basically on charity. As you've heard, Colonel Nagesh Gupta is a very benevolent man. He is given, and it all depends on people who donate to charity. This year we've been able to raise 6,83,000. That is financial year 23-24. Now, interest on fixed deposits marginally increased from 22 lakhs to 27. Interest on SB account and cash in bank. Now, cash in bank, you will find that we've got 5 lakhs, but this is as on 31st March. That is the actual figure. After that, we had to keep some money for this AGM and all that. So that keeps fluctuating up and down. Immediately, we'll transfer it into FDs. Overall increase of 61%. Thanks to Brigadier Vidyasagar sir. Thank you, sir. Every year and takes the approval of the Lok Sabha. So I request approval. So this is the first column is of course the details, and the second column is the proposed expenditure for 23-24, which is already passed, and what we actually expended. The third one is the actual expenditure, third column, and then the last column on the right is the proposed budget expenditure of 24-25, which we are now proposing and which we request you to approve. Thank you. If there are any doubts, I am here, and even after the presentation, I am here for that. Thank you, sir.
Beneficiaries are about 600 and 3.5 crores have been distributed to the beneficiaries. And all these cases can be reviewed on the website t7.org. Next slide, please. Now these are the 12 cases which have come in our favor. Next. So these 12 cases we have won. Now I will see the progress of the next 36 cases. Next. So there are 32 cases which are in the pipeline. Next. 2 cases are in the Supreme Court. So litigation is there at the Supreme Court also. Are on pro rata basis based on the various charges which are coming, with the exception that all the widows, irrespective of the rank, they are not charged anything. It is borne by the T-Seva.
Secretary and even the President have said that once we started collecting, we had not even a penny in our accounts. But since then, the donations have been pouring in, and today also we have 4 veterans who would like to present their checks into the donation account of T-Seva. Ramaya? Yes. He is Brigadier T. Ramaya. Big applause for him. Colonel Agarwal. Please help me. Satya. God. Thanks a lot, and a big applause for all these co-donors, friends. And as we say, let the tribe increase. We have already had donations pouring in, but you see, it's never enough, okay? So keep that in mind. Thank you. Charity, that is Colonel Sitaramaya. Do come. He will enlighten you on that.
Thank you, madam. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, members, and also who may have come as observers also. So we'll just slightly change. Before I get on to cover the charity activities, there's 1 or 2 students who have to go for attending exams. So we'll first present them with checks, and then I'll cover the last year's charity activity. Secretary Colonel G.B. Sethi to take the honor to please present to the young students and inspire them. The donation is sponsored by Subhadra Charitable Trust. Now she is being given a same amount of rupees 10,000. And Nori also, please come on the stage. City to present this check to the student.
she's also being given rupees 10,000, the amount sponsored by Madhuri Seva Fund. She's also being given rupees 10,000, the amount sponsored by Dr. K.G. Subhadra. She is daughter of our office superintendent, Mr. Anand. She is also being given rupees 10,000, the amount sponsored by Ujam Das Seva Fund, which is to Vidyasagar sir, Sethi and Group Captain Nori. Students, very good education and they should do well in their chosen courses. Insistent on to whom this money should be given, and we are the only last mile delivery part that T-Seva is doing. And he has specifically said he wants to donate to the underprivileged and also those who are studying in government schools or colleges. So during this year, the Madhuri Seva Fund has donated 4,20,000. The details are as shown. The next, Ujam Das Seva Fund, there's one more, he has donated serial 6, 7 and 8 and one more in the next slide. A total of around 60,000. Now this we already covered. Amount donated by Group Captain Nori to Ms. Sharon. Next. The third major donator is Srimati Dr. K.G. Subhadra, who has given 55,000. Her name has already been mentioned, and these are the beneficiaries from serial number 12 to 16. And fourth major donor is from Subhadra Charitable Trust, serial number 19, 54,000. There are others, individual donors, like the officers' names are mentioned, who has donated to some of the 20 beneficiaries. Now the point to note is, all the beneficiaries, though we try to cover the meritorious students or the various cases from all the states of India where T-Seva is doing activity or present, but unfortunately we have got only the reference or the cases have been referred, one from Karnataka, one from West Bengal and 2 from Andhra. Rest are all from another around 7-8 cases or 10 cases from Telangana. Not like Nagesh Chandra Gupta, in memory of his wife. The trust has been established in her name as Madhuri Seva Fund. And he has been Next, these are the beneficiaries of Madhuri Seva Fund. On their behalf, the management committee members, vice president, secretary and other members have been presenting the checks to various colleges, to the principals of various colleges and schools. Exclusively for education purposes. And besides this, he is also donated 2 lakhs for establishment of RO plants. And this 28, as I pointed out, is 2 lakhs out of this was given for our new building also. Next. Mr. P. Munikrishna, K. Subhadra Charitable Trust and Managing Director of an Industries, Managing Director of Parashakti Cements. As I mentioned, again the second most highest donor, 9.3 lakhs in the last 5 years. Next. Third, the relatives of Parvateshan Garu, our Honorable Secretary, who are running the Ujam Das Somadas Sumana's trust, they also have given so far 1.21 lakhs for education purposes. Colonel Victor Paul D'Souza, he presented 1 lakh. Next. Next, Wing Commander Dev Darshan Bumbar, we have seen him in person. Another 1 lakh. Next. Yeah. This I would like to mention one word, a few words rather. So late Major General Gorti, his son-in-law used to play golf with us. So we just mentioned we got 2-3 cases of graduate students, one from Karnataka, one from Andhra. So he said, that his son-in-law is Mr. Sudhakar Murthy. He stays in Dubai and his son works. He's got a firm in Bangalore. So he just went over the talk. He said, I can sponsor them because I'm also doing in Mumbai. So there he has supported one startup. So I said, how much you can give? He said, he asked me how much. I said 1 lakh to chahiye. So that's how the conversation started last year I think. And he ate Major Gorti and his son-in-law, Mr. Sudhakar Murthy, they are instrumental in giving this 1 lakh, out of which we have funded the education of one boy and one girl student, very meritorious and very hardworking, especially the boy. He used to take tuitions. His mother was bedridden. She required insulin injections or something. He used to take tuitions to fund his education, as also to fund the expenditure for her mother's treatment. So that's how I remember him, and we could raise funds for him. And for last 2 years, his education is being sponsored by T-Seva. And this case has been projected by our Karnataka T-Seva President, Colonel Srikanta. Next. Good Captain Nori, very nice. In fact, he has been donating and for the last 2-3 years, and he has donated 4.41 lakhs. Others, also you can see the amounts mentioned against each. Lieutenant Colonel S.P. Sharma 4 lakhs, late Lieutenant Colonel Dayakar Kota, Vedvihar resident, is given 2.8 lakhs. Major General K.P. Deswal 2.5 lakhs. Next. So similarly, all others, instead of me reading everyone, I don't mind, but time-wise, please have a look. They have very generous in donating, all the members as per their will and next. We have basically flashed, though there are many donors who have donated less than 1 lakh, we have identified those donors who are 1 lakh and above or nearer to 1 lakh. Next. Now, a word about, though this doesn't come under charity, but all the same, in building of infrastructure for T-Seva, we thank all the members, also who are not members. A lot of civilian friends of members have also donated for the construction of our new T-Seva building. The maximum donation has been done by Sri Munikrishna of 4 lakhs. Rest other amounts you will see on the board varying from 20,000 to 4 lakhs. Next. The Fund State Brigadier Vidyasagar, after resuming the presidentship again, he has made a general appeal, and within a month I think we could, the funds poured in to 32.4 lakhs. and which is very good, and we thank all the members that whatever money is donated to T Seva, be it mostly for education or one or financial assistance for any unforeseen circumstances or medical treatment. One doesn't know whether it is real or concocted. So to that extent, T Seva is real and alive, and we watch for its transparency and credibility. And you can, those who have want to donate, most welcome. And the A plus is you get 50% income tax.
Acknowledge everyone, because it is a charitable thing that they are doing, and it should be mentioned and acknowledged. And in the meeting, we observed that we have 2 vacant positions in the management committee, National Management Committee. We could prevail upon 2 ladies, as Brigadier Vidyasagar said, that because the committee is really male dominated, we need some ladies also to participate in it, and 2 of them, we could persuade them to join yesterday, and this has the approval of the NEC committee. She is Madhumita Das, the Vice President of T Seva now. She is from Calcutta. Another flower in the committee is Shalini Gupta.
ब्रिगेडियर विद्यासागर एंड दिस टीम ऑफ टी सेवा, इनकी बहुत मैंने तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करती हूँ। उनकी आभारी हूँ कि उन्होंने मुझे इस काबिल समझा कि इतने कम समय में मुझे इस काबिल बनाया। आफ्टर ज्वाइनिंग हिज ग्रुप दैट आई कुड बी कंसिडर्ड फॉर द पोस्ट ऑफ वाइस प्रेसिडेंट। मैं कोशिश करूँगी, जहाँ तक मेरी सूझ बुझ जाती है, कोशिश करूँगी मेरे से जो कुछ भी बन पड़ेगा टी सेवा के लिए वो जरूर करूँगी।
She has been doing wonders in the Calcutta group. I present you Shalini Gupta, the Joint Secretary from Gurgaon.
Excited. I'm so sorry also.
बिल्कुल दिल से थैंक यू बोल रही हूँ, एंड मैं कोशिश करूँगी कि जिस चीज़ के लिए उन्होंने मुझे चूज़ किया है मैं उस पर ठीक ठाक से काम कर सकूँ। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you, Madhumita and Shalini Gupta ji. Sir, returning officer sir, Commodore Sandhu sir is on the line. Sir, the appointment which just now made, you are requested.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Heartiest congratulations on this occasion of the morning meeting of T Seva. I apologize I could not attend in person. I was given the onerous responsibility of formally conducting election of Vice President as well as Joint Secretary. I have received the letters of resignations from Honorary Flying Officer A.B. Reddy from the post of Vice President and Honorary Captain M.N. Reddy from the post of Joint Secretary. And I have only 2 nominations, one of Mrs. Madhumita Das for Vice President, which was proposed by Brigadier Vidyasagar and seconded by Colonel Falguni Desam. And I have found the nomination in order. Since there is no other candidate, I formally declare Mrs. Madhumita Das as the newly elected Vice President, for which only 1 nomination came, that of Mrs. Shalini Gupta. And this was proposed by Brigadier, the form has been signed as proposal by Brigadier Vidyasagar and seconded by Colonel Shrikanta. I find the nomination in order and I formally therefore declare Mr. Shalini Gupta as the elected or the nominated elected joint secretary of P-Seva.
Thank you, Kamal sir.
60 साल है, 70 साल है, 80 है, 90 वाला भी है, उनको मदद करने वाले इधर कोई नहीं है और उनको ये भी मालूम नहीं कि उनका पेंशन सही आ रही है, कम आ रही है, ज़्यादा आ रही है। उनको ओआरओपी का मतलब भी वो नहीं जानते हैं। सो आप मदद कर सकते हैं टी सेवा की तरफ से। मैंने बताया मैडम टी सेवा सबको मदद करने के लिए ये खड़ी है, सो वी विल डेफिनेटली हेल्प देम। सो उन्होंने पहले बताई आप हमारा एडवाइज़र बन जाइए फिर हम चालू करेंगे। सो उन्होंने एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर बनी। फिर 7 दिन के बाद मुझे टेलीफोन करती है, सर अभी प्रॉब्लम हो गया, मैं कॉर्पोरेट में काम करती हूँ और उन लोगों ने बोला मैं एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर नहीं हो सकती है, इसलिए आप बन जाओ। मैंने बोला मैडम मैं कैसा बन सकता हूँ, ये लेडीज़ ग्रुप है, लेडीज़ में लेडीज़ होना चाहिए, मैं तो जेंट हूँ, कोई भी लेडी मेरे पास नहीं आएगी। विद्यासागर बुलाने से थोड़ी आएंगे लेडीज़। नहीं आपके बारे में लोग जानते हैं, आप ठहरिए, मैं कुछ महीने के बाद मैं किसी को पकड़ूंगी। इसके बाद वो मेरे से कभी बात नहीं किया। मैं वो ड्यूटी भी ले लिया एज एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर सर्विसेज सिंगल लेडीज ऑफ हाउसेस ग्रुप। वो धीरे 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 फिर मैंने एक लेडी को आइडेंटिफाई किया जो बहुत अच्छा काम करने वाली है, मिसेस नीरा सिरोही जी। उनको मैंने बताया मैडम आप मेरा बॉस बन जाओ। उसने पूछी क्यों बनूं? क्योंकि मेरे घर में मेरा वाइफ मेरा बॉस है, ऐसा मुझे अच्छा लगता है, लेडीज बॉस होना चाहिए, जेंट नीचे होना चाहिए। वो बोलते ठीक है मैं आपका बॉस बन जाऊंगी। सो नाउ शी इज बॉस। वो लेडी बनने से क्या हो गया, मेरे टाइम में जो भी थे 5-6 लेडीज थे, अब ये लेडीज एक प्रेमा जोशी करके एक लेडी है, प्रमा जोशी, उन्होंने वो 6 से 298 तक मेंबरशिप बनाई। फिर उनका कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुआ था। इसके बाद मिसेस नीरा सिरोही जी उन्होंने 298 से 757 लेडीज़ हमारा SSLOG में है। कुछ लेडीज़ SSLOG के इधर हैदराबाद सिकंदराबाद में वो भी आए हुए हैं। आप
Shrinesh, I would like to say
good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I want to thank all the T-Seva members and their company. He worked as a director Sainik Welfare, United AP, 6 years continuously. Very, very dynamic officer, and actually we worked under him. We learned very, we cannot say in words. After assuming the charge as a director Sainik Welfare, the total scenario of the Sainik Welfare department changed. Really, as a Sainik Welfare officer in Twin Cities only, I closely observed the Builder Vidyasagar sir and also the T-Seva activities. Really appreciated. Really appreciated. Because I saw so many officers and jawans and wars. Nearly daily minimum 50 to 75 people visiting my office. So I saw so many appreciations about the T-Seva I see. Once again, I want to tell you, this Telangana government is state government. We are working under state government, Sainik Welfare Department of Telangana, under our director Kalam Ramesh Kumar. He assumed the charge in 2014. I want to say one thing. In entire country, our Telangana Sainik Welfare Department is totally computerized, only one state in entire country. Everything is online. Everything is digitalized. No paperwork. Even if any officer or anybody comes, if he applies online or if he gives in paper also, we will issue the identity card or any work within 1 hour. That is we are doing. We are also organizing so many awareness camps. In RSI only, last one and a half year we have conducted 3-4 camps for issuing identity cards. We came to your place, we are issued the identity cards, no need to come to our place. You. So, I want to tell one more thing. Because of the computerization, so many benefits are there. All the records are computerized. Whenever, if anybody just with one service number, you will see everything. And Telangana Department of Sainik Welfare is highestly giving the gallantry awards in entire country. Only the Telangana Sainik government is giving highest gallantry award cash grants in entire country. Moreover, for medical seats, especially children of the armed forces, you see anywhere, only we are giving 55 to 60 seats for the children of the armed forces personnel, reserved for the MBBS seats are reserved for them only. I am doing last 22 years, I am doing the counseling for engineering and also the MBBS. Engineering, also 2% reservation in children of armed personnel, serving and retired personnel, and everything. So we will advise them, we will connect the meetings and advise them how to fill the form, how to get the options, how to fill the options, which college the best. Because of these options, they are giving wrong. The college, the best college, they won't get. That's why we are advising the Telangana Sainik Welfare Department only doing in entire country, and proudly say, because we are passionately work for the ex-servicemen welfare. We are working, we are organizing so many awareness camps in India, even AWH Colony, Subhash Nagar, even here and also in other places also. So many times we organize this awareness camps. What are the facilities available in the Sainik Welfare Department? What are the benefits and conditions providing by the state and central and DGR and KSB? How to utilize the benefits? So many people doesn't know how to utilize the benefits. They know the benefit is there. We open the website also. Even for online, no need to go any online center. In our office, in Somajiguda, we digitalized one room provided for you only. Dedicated 4 ex-servicemen we are appointed for online only. If anybody comes for CAP certificate or property tax exemption or anything, they can come down happily without going to any MeSeva, eSeva or any online center. We opened the digitalized room for you. We sit there, within 10 to 15 minutes, fill the form and everything, we will issue the certificate. That the Sainik Welfare Department, Telangana only doing, I can say. I never found anywhere in entire country, I am telling you. Moreover, one thing I want to tell, Armed Forces Flag Day Fund is there in Telangana. Brigadier Vidyasagar sir also raised so many funds for the Armed Forces Flag Day Fund. From that, if ex-serviceman dies, we are giving 2 lakhs rupees plus 10,000 rupees. In serving soldier in peacetime, he dies, 3 lakhs giving from this fund. No state is giving, one ex-serviceman dies giving 2 lakhs or 1 lakh. Only giving 5 lakhs or 5,000, 10,000 only. But the Telangana Sainik Welfare Department is giving 2 lakhs if ex-serviceman dies for the financial assistance. But so many grants are there, so many schemes are there, so many unique schemes are there in Telangana. You can come down my place. Our staff are there. You can inquire anything because.
Hearing? Anybody present? Please come forward. You would like to enlighten you on the benefits that
The SBI is
colleague Ms. Shivangi. We are a part of a defense banking team. Okay. We sit at our head office basically for the purpose of resolving all queries of defense officials as well as the bank. We act as a bridge between both the armed forces and the bank. So without taking much delay, I am coming on behalf of Timalgiri branch. So Ms. Dolly was not able to come due to some unavoidable circumstances. So both Shivangi and I will be representing the bank. Now this sheet is being circulated to all right now. This is the DSP pensioners benefit that our bank SBI is offering to all of you. So, product code. Suppose you keep it as DSP or you keep it as normal SB check. The benefits that I say will not hold good for you. So, in any case, if you try to avail such benefit, the bank will not be able to help you. So, my request is please check whether the product code is applied correctly. How do you check it? So, all of you might be aware about YONO, our internet. The very first line over there, in that itself, you will come to know. It is DSP pension gold, DSP pension diamond or DSP pension platinum. If it is DSP gold, DSP platinum or if it is SB check, SB non-check, my request is please take your PPO copy and along with the request letter go to your nearest SBI branch, preferably your home branch, but if your home branch is elsewhere, you can go to any of the SBI branch and submit an application over there. Because unless you make it to your right product code, then you will not be getting the benefits. Now, how JC or below ranks, it will be gold. Lieutenant, captain and major will come in the diamond category and lieutenant colonel and above will all come in the platinum category.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
After that,
Okay.
JCOs and below rank.
Okay.
Equivalent ranks of all the other two divisions.
Right, right.
Otherwise it will be misleading.
Okay, okay.
For the same, we got only one since we came to know meeting at the last moment. So there are
defense pensioners. How many are applicable to widows?
For single ladies?
Single
Yes. Can we interact with her at the lunchtime? Because
if I ask her
Yeah.
there, I will get an answer. But
Yeah.
from the lady who will
Okay, okay.
Just one
What about the single ladies? Are they
I have
good?
an account in State Bank of India and in Astarao Nagar. I have a PPF account there and I wanted to renew it. Now I have told you over.
I think you have spoken to her on telephone about this. Correct.
The family also has been allotted a symptom.
Both the SIP numbers for your wife and husband are different, sir.
Yes.
Your SIP is yours. For your family, it will be different.
But it is mentioned in that joint account.
Yes, sir. For that joint account, there will be two SIP. One of your family, sir.
Very grateful to T-Seva for giving me this opportunity to speak in front of you.
Thank you, sir.
पता है एक्स सर्विसमैन कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटरी हेल्थ स्कीम इट इज कंपलसरी स्कीम सिंस 2003 से सबके लिए कंपलसरी है। आप ये नहीं बोल सकते कि नहीं मुझे एफएमए चलने दो 1000 रुपए पर मंथ, वो नहीं चलेगा। यू हैव टू गो फॉर ईसीएचएस स्कीम। अच्छा, मैं कुछ बातें बताऊंगा, ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं है क्योंकि मुझे 10-15 मिनट ही टाइम मिला है। कुछ बातें बताऊंगा जो लोगों को पता नहीं है। वहाँ पे आते हैं डेली बेस से, फिर मेरे को उनको समझाना पड़ता है। सबसे 6 डिजिट पिन होता है, जैसे मेरा सिकंदराबाद 1 का जो पॉलिक्लिनिक का पिन है 65321, वैसे ही सभी का अपना है। तो आपने खाली जाके OIC के पास जाके वो पिन रीसेट कराना है, बस। वो एक बार आपने पिन रीसेट करा दिया, फिर आप किसी भी पॉलिक्लिनिक में दिखा सकते हो। वहाँ का जो एम्पैनल्ड हॉस्पिटल में उसमें भी आप दिखा सकते हो, दवाई ले सकते हो, कुछ भी कर सकते हो। ऑल इंडिया दिस इज वैलिड ऑल ओवर। प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस, ये आप ध्यान रखना। दूसरी बात, आपका और आपकी वाइफ के लिए ये जो स्कीम है, जो कार्ड है, लाइफ टाइम फ्री है। कोई इसका एनुअल रिन्यूअल नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है। अभी डिपेंडेंट्स का, ये डिपेंडेंट की प्रॉब्लम हमेशा आती है। डिपेंडेंट्स जो बच्चे 18 साल से ऊपर होंगे उनका कार्ड अपने आप ब्लॉक हो जाएगा। दूसरा, जो पेरेंट्स है, मदर फादर, वो भी डिपेंडेंट में आते हैं, या फिर कोई डिवोर्सी सिस्टर है या विडो सिस्टर है, अगर वो भी डिपेंडेंट है, इन सभी का कार्ड ब्लॉक हो जाता है हर साल, उसके लिए क्या करना है मैं आपको बताता हूँ। अगर पैन कार्ड है तो पैन कार्ड से एक फॉर्म 26AS जो आपको गवर्नमेंट की साइट है incometax.gov.in, उसमें से फॉर्म 26AS जिसमें पूरे साल का फाइनेंशियल ईयर का आपका इनकम होता है। फॉर्म 26AS यू कैन रिमेंबर, ये आप नोट करना, ये लास्ट 2 फाइनेंशियल ईयर्स जैसे 22-23 और 23-24 ये 2 फाइनेंशियल ईयर का आपने लेके आना है, OIC को दिखाना है। OIC को दिखा के अच्छा जो इनकम कितनी होनी चाहिए 9,000 rupees per month, that is the limit, that is 1,08,000 per year. 1,08,000 per year से इनकम कम होने, then he is eligible, otherwise he is not eligible. ये आप ध्यान रखना, ये बहुत लोगों को पता नहीं है। मैं चाहता हूँ आप जो भी आपका ग्रुप है, व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप है, उसमें प्लीज बताएं कि एनुअल वैलिडेशन आपका और आपकी वाइफ के लिए लाइफ टाइम फ्री है, लिपिड डिपेंडेंट्स के लिए नहीं है। नंबर 3, बेटा जो सन है जैसी 25 इयर्स होएगा उसका इनकम है नहीं है, इसकी एलिजिबिलिटी समाप्त हो जाती है। फॉर सन जो बेटा है 25 साल के बाद उसकी कोई एलिजिबिलिटी नहीं, ही हैज टू टेक अ प्राइवेट इंश्योरेंस, प्राइवेट हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस ले सकते हैं। डॉटर का 25 साल के बाद ये इनकम तो दिखाना ही पड़ेगा, फॉर्म 26AS 2 फाइनेंशियल ईयर का दिखाना ही पड़ेगा। उसके अलावा एक नोटरी से एफिडेविट देना होगा कि शी इज नॉट मैरिड एंड शी इज डिपेंडेंट ऑन द एक्स सर्विसमैन। दिस इज रिक्वायर्ड एवरी ईयर। सो ये जो एनुअल वैलिडेशन प्रोसेस है दिस हैज टू बी डन एवरी ईयर, प्लीज ध्यान रखिएगा। ये बहुत लोगों को पता नहीं है, बोलते हैं साहब एक कार्ड नहीं चल रहा है, क्या करना। खास करके जो गांव से आते हैं उनको नहीं पता चलता कि मदर फादर का कार्ड हर साल ब्लॉक हो जाता है। जब भी ब्लॉक और जब कार्ड अनब्लॉक करेंगे तो ये 2 साल का, अगर पैन कार्ड नहीं है जैसे कुछ बुजुर्ग लोग होते हैं तो आंध्रा और तेलंगाना में एक मंडल रेवेन्यू ऑफिस है MRO, वहां से वो एक ओल्ड एज का एक एनुअल इनकम सर्टिफिकेट देते हैं। 70,000 80,000 जो भी है, 1,08,000 से कम होना चाहिए बस। अब करने का एक प्रोविजन है जो मैं करता हूँ। आफ्टर द कार्ड इज अनब्लॉक, उसके बाद आपने हमारे हेल्प डेस्क में जाना है या फिर खुद आपको अगर यूजर ID पासवर्ड आपका पता है ECHS.gov.in में जाके आप खुद ये दोनों को अपलोड करना है। जो आपने बताया ना, जो मैंने बताया फॉर्म 26AS 2 फाइनेंशियल ईयर का, इसको अपलोड करना है कार्ड अनब्लॉक होने के बाद, ठीक है। कार्ड अनब्लॉक करने के बाद 90 डेज का टाइम होता है आपको ये इनकम सर्टिफिकेट अपलोड करने के लिए।
I had a lady with me. Her bill for 15 lakhs is pending because we had some fights with and everything else. But they said
which is the parent polyclinic? Secunderabad. Okay, fine.
Now the whole problem is you own the bill in a particular format and Yashoda is not giving the bill in a particular format. What do they really do?
So we can resolve that issue. You can send you send the lady to me, we will resolve the issue.
I went in the Ayush hospital.
Ayush, yes, very good question. एम्पैनल हॉस्पिटल में जो हमारा ऑल ओवर इंडिया जो एम्पैनल हॉस्पिटल है, केरला में एक हॉस्पिटल है आयुर्वेदा हॉस्पिटल, उसका हम रेफरल देते हैं। ठीक है।
About whom we would like you to know. First one, Colonel G.B. Sethi. He is also a Masonic member. As my husband is also a Masonic member, so let me address him as Brother Colonel Dr. Bhushan Sethi. His whole name. Graduated from the Punjab University, commissioned on 30th June 63 in Indian Army, and participated in the 1965 Indo-Pak War. He is also an alumnus of University of Pune, having graduated in Mechanical Engineering, Masters in Management Studies and PhD in Industrial Relations. A very rare topic which was not taken up earlier. He visited during his doctoral research more than 200 industries in Maharashtra and Uttar Pradesh to cover his study. He was appointed as Deputy District Grand Supreme Ruler of the Conclave of Southern India on 8 June 2024 at Bangalore recently. Colonel Sethi. Stand up, please. Naresh. He is a NEC member. He's got a pension for road running, commenced after retirement in 2017 while he was in Chennai. He has covered over 20,000 kilometers involving marathon and ultra marathon. The longest distance covered 76 kilometers in a 12-hour stadium run at Hyderabad. Podiums in each category are some milestones. Colonel Satyanarayan Nareshkar. Reddy. He too is a NEC member. He served in the Indian Army for 25 years. He does a lot of charitable activities such as visiting old age homes, schools for disabled children. He was awarded by the Telangana government for innovating a multi-purpose walking stick. His name appears in the Indian Book of Records, Telugu Book of Records, and Unique World Records. He is a veteran, 85 years old. Colonel Bhaskar Reddy. Okay. Big clap for him. He's really burned the oil to make this yesterday evening's meeting and today's gathering happen in whatever perfect way we have conducted it. He is none other than Colonel G. Parvatesa. He has received a Pride of Telangana Award from Mr. Y. Ramarao, General Secretary of Masters Game Telangana on 29th May 2024. Won 1 silver and 2 bronze medals in 70 plus Masters tennis tournament in singles, doubles and mixed doubles in the Pan India Masters Games conducted at LB Stadium from 24th to 29th May of last month, that is 2024. He is one of the players of Indian contingent representing India for Pan Pacific Masters Games to be conducted at Gold Coast, Australia. A big clap for him. Big clap for him. Multifaceted, very good administrator, as you can see from today's meeting and from the previous meetings too. Thank you, friends. Vote of thanks now. Thank you very much, friends, for gracing the occasion today. I think you people must have learned a lot, and please do. Any questions you all have, please come to the T-Seva office, or you can talk to the concerned person and sort out your problems or your doubts. Over to Captain Joseph.
Thank you, madam. So no need to worry, lunch already reached our location. So Seva, it should be T-Seva, so that it will get a short name and very recognized. So this is T-Seva, established during 2015. Okay. Now you know about our 3 officers who are shown their outstanding performance. I am also served 32 years in the army and 8 years in Central IB. So all are old and they are very good in doing veteran service. Now on behalf of T-Seva, I convey my heartfelt thanks to one and all who attended this meeting and supported us and encouraged us to go forward with many more ambitions. So far, you have witnessed our program, and I hope you understand what we are doing for veterans. Further, I can say it is not Tree Seva, but really doing a Tree Seva sincerely, honestly. We are also created history in appointing two ladies as a vice president and a joint secretary. It is not anywhere in any associations. And we also created history before announcing union budget. We proposed our budget of 24 to 25. Really, it is a great thing. So give claps to our intelligence. Okay. And next, sir, before going for lunch, just I want to convey my heartful thanks on behalf of Tree Seva for Pinky Anand garu, because she took much pain and completed his task till this hour. And I thank our Colonel Raja sir, who is in charge of this AWHO, and whenever we approached him, he used to arrange this accommodation for our AGMs or any awareness programs also. On behalf of Tree Seva, we also thank him. And I request Vidyasagar to come and dice. Madam.
And Colonel Parvatism, he just met me in RSI one evening and he said, "Ma'am, you have to be there for us." I said, "I'm always there for you people. Whatever you all work, you all want, I'm there for you people." And this is what he made me do today. And it was a wonderful meeting which we attended yesterday evening of the NEC and today too. Thank you very much, friends. Kindly join for lunch after this. Over to Captain Joseph.
For dependent cards already prepared and ready for issue. If you want to, you can take dependent cards, then you can go for lunch. And the remaining people, they can go straight for lunch. Sir, thank you very much for you all for coming.